Hey guys, Troy here, and well, well, today we're going to be doing something with this puzzle box, and you can see it's the almost perfect puzzle box, and yeah, there's two cylinders right here, and this ugly knob right here. So today I thought we would do a tutorial on this guy. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be basically taking apart little by little of this, and I'm going to be putting it back together from bottom to top. So, let's get started. So, obviously you're going to need to start off with, this. And this is going to be the base, so you can basically see how this is all going to work out. And I'm just making sure I can do this all correctly. So you need to basically take two 1x6 bricks and put them on like that. And a bunch of junk is falling out. But anyway, this is going to be a long video, so bear with me while I do this for you. So now you want to take a 1x6, and then a 1x4, a 1x1 with a hole in the middle of it, a 1x2, and a 1x1. I think I already mentioned that, but that's okay. You're going to put it right over here. That. And now you're going to take two 1x4s right here and put it right here. And you guys may care about colors. I don't care about colors. I mean that with the absolute absurd man I am. I do not care for colors. So, yeah, there you have that. And just to show you how all this works, there's going to be some pieces in here that we can go ahead and put in. So you need two 1x2s here, and I'm knocking things off. Oh well. So you need two 1x2s right here. There you have that. You want to take a 2x2 and put it right here. And just to show you how all this is going to work, this piece will go right here, and this axle piece will go right in here, and you got this piece right here that will go in right there, and then you got the tray with the tile in it, and that will go all right in there like that. So let's get all that junk out of here and continue on with the tutorial. And like I said, this is going to be quite long, so bear with me on this. Yes. Anyway, sorry about that. So now you want to take... I'm kind of using the actual top of the puzzle box. As you can see, I have all of this. I haven't taken it all apart because I would not be able to put it back together. So you want to take two 1x2s and put them on right there. You want to take two 1x4s and put them right here. You want to take basically a 1x4 and put it on top of here. And now you want to take a 4x4 and put it on right there, like that. And yeah, there you have that. And then you have a couple of other pieces, but we can't really put them on right now. So you need one of these. First of all, you need number 2 axle, I believe it's called. And you're just going to put it back in there. And to build this, it's pretty straightforward. You need a 1x4, a 1x2, 2x2 tile, and a 1x2 tile. And you're just going to slide it in right there. And you want to take this piece and put it on like that. And just take another big chunk out of here. So you want to take a 6x6 right there, and you want to take 2x6s and put them on there. Basically a 1x2, 1x4, technically a 1x3, and you're going to put it on how? I don't know. You're going to put it on. You're going to put it on like this. So it should make sense. And I'm going to put some stuff together. And now you can take this piece and this and put it back where it belongs. And just get everything situated. And then we can. You want to take a 1x4, 1x2. This is going to be on a 1x6, 4x6, 2x6, and a 2x2 right there. And you're going to put it on like this, and it'll complete that. You want to take another crap. You want to take another. I'm confused. Hang on. Sorry, I'm getting confused here. Shoot. So now you want to take one of these and put it on there like that. I'm making sure that this is done correctly because I'm trying not to screw up as much as I can. Not making sure pieces go in the right way. So you want to take a 1x4, put it on right there, and this is where this piece comes in, which is a 2 1x3s, two 1x4s, a 1x2, 1x4, 1x1, and this piece will go right in here. Am I doing this correctly? Maybe no. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure I'm doing everything correctly. You want to take this out, just make sure everything's correct. Now you want to take a 2x8. Get everything out of the way. You want to take a 2x8. 1x2, 1x2, 1x1, 1x2, and 1x4. And you want to put it on like that, I believe. Yes. Yes. So you want to put it on like this. Just press everything down correctly. And now you want to take 1x4 brick and 2 1x4 plates, put it on right there. And you want to take a 1x1, put it right there. Take a 1x2 with a cross in the middle of it, like that. You want to take one of these pieces, 1x4. That you want to take one of these and put it on there like that. Put a 1x1 with a hole in it and a 1x1 on top of that. There you have that. You want to take 2 1x2s. Put that in there. Then you want to take a 1x4 and put it on there. And now you want to take a 1x3 brick, a 1x1, a 1x2 tile that can slide, and 2 1x2s right there. You have that. And you can put this in if you want right now, but I recommend you don't because everything is not assembled right now. And you can just leave that out right like that. Right like that. So now you want to take 2 1x4s, put them on like that. And I'm missing something. Hang on. So you want a 1x4 right here, like that, and you can use this piece to flatten it all down like that. And you got a little treasure. Treasures don't matter in my opinion. What matters is the functionality of the box. That's a new quote I'm going to say every time. I'm just going to... But anyway, so now you want to take a 2x8. You want a 2x6 right here, and 1x2 right there, and a 1x6 right there. You want a 2x8 right there, and basically a 1x3 right there. This is going to sit right on top of there, like that. Now you want... just make sure everything's going correctly, and it looks like it is. So let us continue. So now you have this, and you want 2x8, 2x3, and a 1x3, and this will go just like that on there. You want to take another 1x8 right there. I have that. Now you can go ahead and put all this stuff in here. I don't know what this piece is exactly for. Oh well. So this goes in here like that. Make sure everything fits in correctly, like it should. Put that off to the side. You want to put this piece in here like this, and you want to make sure this goes in as well with that. You want to make sure it goes in straight, because if it doesn't, then it can screw some stuff up and potentially break it. So you don't want that to happen. And I'm trying my best I can on this, but it's becoming a little frustrating. Yeah, like hey, it's 14 minutes right now, so. But anyway, let's get this done so I can take a breather. I'm just gonna. But anyway, so if you're looking in there, you want the treasure to the left. You can put this. Oh, I screwed up, guys. I'm sorry. You don't want this piece in there. You want a 1x4 with a 1x4 tile on top. Stickers are optional. I'm just saying that right now. Just saying that right now. I knew there was something missing. I knew it. But anyway, we have that. And now that's off. We can just put that on there. And that'll slide right there so it can't pull out or anything. And now let's put that back on top. And now we're actually getting somewhere. So you want a 1x6 with two 1x4s on top. That's going to go right here. And now you want to take 1x4, 1x2, and a 1 by something elbow. But you just put that on top of there. You want to take a 1x1 on top of a 1x1 and put it on there. 1x2 right there. 1x2 right there. 1x4, which will go back here, right there. You want a 1x2 with a hole in it, put that right there. You want to take two 1x1s and put them on top of that. You want to save that right now. You want to take one of these pieces and put it back behind here. And you want to take one of these pieces and put it right there. I'm sorry guys, I'm tired. But, this is my basic language. These pieces, you want to take a 1x2 right there, like that. Right there. Exactly right there, like that. And just make sure everything's going correctly. And okay, yep. Now we can continue. You want to take a 2x4 brick, put it right there. 1x1 with a 2x1 with a 2x1 on top of it. You want to take a 1x6, put it on right there. And you want to take basically a 1x3 right there and put it on there. And you want a 2x6, 2x1 on there, like that. And you want to take a pin and just slide it in right there. And you can put this in there, like that. Now you can take another 2x4, put it on like right there. I guess we can turn it sideways so that way you can see what I'm doing for the most part. You want to take this 2x4, 1x4, 1x4, technically 1x2, 1x2, 1x4, 1x6, and you want to put it on right here. And make sure there's a slot so everything works as it should. And now you want to take this array of pieces. It's a 2x3, 2x4, 2x3, 2x4, no, yeah, 2x4, 1x2, 1x4. I think you got that all. And just put that on right there. And you want to take another 2x3 and put it on there. And another 2x3 and put it right there. Take a 1x6 with basically a 1x3 right on there, and you want to put it back here like that, and we're almost done. You want to take a 1x3, put it right there on top of that. You want to take a 1x2, put it back there. You want to take a 4x6 and put it right on top of there, like that. Make sure it's nice and sturdy. So you want to take this piece and put it right there, and you want to cause a big destruction right there. And excuse me. So you want to put a 1x2 right here. That. So, and take another 1x2, put it right here. Take two 1x6s and put them right here and in the back right there. So there I have that, and this junk keeps on falling forward, and I don't like it, so I'm going to call it junk until it stops. Just kidding. It's the dumb way to do it. But anyway, you want to get this back together. You want to take two you want to take two of these pieces, and you want to put 2x4s on top of them. You want to take this 4x8 right here and put it on that, and you got the roof, and you just slap that on there, and just get everything nice and secure. Make sure everything's good to go, because this is a review and I want to make sure everything's done correctly so I don't get sued. Yes, I can get sued. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, I want this to be as much fun as it was for me, so that's why I'm basically passing it down through YouTube. So they have that, and just make sure everything's secure. And you should be up to the point where you can't shake anything out. And there you have the almost perfect puzzle box. And I hope you enjoyed this puzzle box. Like I said, it was fun while I made it, and I want to pass it on to you, and this junk keeps on falling out. And there's a hair stuck in it. But anyway, there's the almost perfect puzzle box. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comments below, and I plan to make more puzzle boxes in the future. Of course, it'll be my decision, but I think we're going to do the big brick next. So, be prepared for another doozy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.